back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app on your phone, and in this video I will show you how to create labels and organize your mails based on the labels on your Gmail app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. The next thing you want to do right here is to create your labels, and for that go ahead and make sure you click on here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on create label. Enter your label name right here. Then go ahead and click on save. Now you have successfully created labels. How can you organize and arrange all the mails that are linked to this particular name into your label? For that, what you want to do is to click on this three slider and go back to your inbox, primary right here. The next thing you want to do, like for instance, this is the email URL right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up it. After you open the mail, next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we click on these three dots. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on as a label. Then from the point here, select the label. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. By the time we go back, then we have it being labeled right here. So if you go ahead and click on this three slider, then we come to label right here. We have the mail right here. You can go on and do different things with different email in your Gmail for a proper mail organized. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Gmail topics like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.